Okay, so I have all of these balloons that I'm turning into a balloon arch. I ordered all of these off of Amazon. So I was reading through the reviews, and the one package that I got that came with really large balloons, I'll show you like this. This one's gonna be a really big one, and it comes with some small ones as well. So I read the reviews, and a lot of people said that they needed multiple packages to get the picture that it was claiming. So I knew I needed more, but I actually didn't order 2 packages of that kind. I ordered these other mini ones so I can add in just different sizes, and I like that it comes with a bunch of different colors. So you can see there's like 3-4 different shades of like a pink purple. I also bought this package of white ones because I wanted to make clouds. I'm definitely not working with as large of a space as I was going to at the place where we were gonna have her party, but we're using her wall here. Now she has these little holes from her having signs, a mirror up here. I'm gonna try to cover all of these holes in the wall with the balloon somehow, but this is the wall, so it extends all the way over. So these are the packages of what I ordered, and I will link the exact ones that I bought. So for the ones with the large balloons, it came in just a white box like this, and it was already torn at the top, so that was kind of annoying. But the balloons look pretty nice. But yeah, it was cheaply packaged. Lily's Arts. And then it came with a bunch of these gold balloons, which I don't like how true gold it is, so I don't know if I'm gonna use those stars. And then the mini balloons with the different, they're all pastel colors, but the mini ones that I chose are these ones. And now I was gonna use these as table runners, put them on the tape and then make them run down the tables. I had all these pastel table covers that I'm not gonna get to use, but that's okay. They weren't very expensive. I also bought these really cute pastel rainbow plates, napkins, silverware, so we could obviously use these up, but it makes me sad because I bought 2 packages of them. Okay, and then also I picked up this like raindrop garland. I wanted to place that behind her in between the rainbow, and then I wanted to make rainbow clouds, so I thought it'd be cute to get some of the tape with these white balloons and make them look like clouds. So now that I have these all separated, I'm going to blow them up and start arranging them. Now I'm gonna probably have my husband do it tonight with me, so I will show you whenever I get that finished. Here I was just taking some balloon glue that came with the kit, and I started filling balloons into any bare spots that I saw in the arch.
Meant to lie in your arms here for a while. I'm alive and I take you.
Any spots that showed these balloon ties, I tried to fill in with more balloons and glue like you see here.
Calling when I reach out, you will hold on. Was it a rainbow?
After I finished the arch, I started using the balloon glue to also attach these raindrop garlands.
At you, it will break through. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? Oh, was it a rainbow falling? Oh, was it a rainbow?
Next, I blew up white balloons to make clouds.
Here am I, meant.
I attached them to smaller pieces of arch tape to make a bundle that looked like a cloud.
You dream.
I used command strips on the wall to hang them. I left an open slot on the tape to just stick right onto the command hook.
True, and I'm falling, calling when I reach out. I've been falling, calling when I reach out, you will hold on. and I'm falling.